Okay. Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Right. So now we have to do this today's problem, the day question, right? 2958 length of the longest subarray with at most k. K. So question क्या रहा है middle level का question है, right? Question कह रहा है you are given an integer array nums, right? Within an integer k. The frequency of an element x is the number of time it occurs. Okay. An array is called good if the frequency of each element less than or equal to मतलब ये कह रहा है एक array जब good होगा जब frequency में जो array है वो less than or equals to k हो okay? Then return the length of the longest subarray nums, right? Subarray is continuous num सबको पता है subarray क्या है. Now this portion example is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 k the longest. Now I have to do this. Let me do. Right. Now we have to this example, right? And let's suppose it's one how much time it will find like once is comes from the three times, right? Two come two comes from the three times, right? And three comes from one to two times, right? So this is not a good, right? Because it's already a question says in this that array is called a good if the frequency of each element less than or equals to k, right? और यहाँ तो थ्री थ्री है k is equals to 2 but 1 is 3 and 2 is 3 and 3 is not. So that's why he say he says that it can be shown there are no good subarray with length more than 6, right? तो subarray नहीं है ना, right? That's this is the proper sliding window method, right? So let's suppose we have to do और एक नंबर ले लेते हैं, राइट? सो ले लेते हैं बॉक्स पे ऐसा बना देते हैं, राइट? अब यहाँ पुट कर देते हैं, राइट? 0 1 2 3 7, राइट? और स्लाइडिंग विंडो का तो सबको पता ही है, राइट? सो लेट मी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आई, राइट? 1 2 3 1 2, right? So now it comes, right? It comes I and sec- j, right? So now it's doing from like 0 to 1, right? So 1 2 or 3, 1 it comes from this, so there we j, right? 1 comes from one time, right? 2 comes from one second, 2 comes from one time, so this will also, right? Now j 3 will also comes one time. Let's go in the code, right? So we have to do the code, right? We need to nums dot length, right? Map dot integer, submit here, hash map, right? And int I is equal to 0 into j is equal to 0, then int result, right? Then we have to j dot nums dot j, right? And right? While I then scroll map or map not open, and we have map dot dot map dot nums array I minus 1 multiple, right? Then we have to if map dot get nums I 0, right? Then map dot remove nums array I हो जाएगा. Hmm. Then we have to increment. Then after that result is math dot max a minus I plus 1. And we have to array hash. Have to run the code, accepted, commit the code.